So first of all, you should get the setup file of Visual Studio Ultimate 2013. So this is the setup folder. So let me show what is inside. So here you have packages and some other things. So first thing we should do is to run this vsultimate.exe. So let me run this. So it will open like this, and for the default installation you require 7.79 GB. But we'll see when we customize it, we can reduce some space. So I'm not intended to run this in my C drive, so let me change it to the drive D. I'm going to go and select data drive D, and there's a separate folder for my softwares, and I'm going to make a new folder. Then I'm going to rename it as Visual Studio Visual Studio 2013 software files. Then I'm going to go inside that folder. So I have selected that one, then going to click next, and make sure to untick these optional features to install. So let me select all, and now here you can see nothing is selected, and it only requires 3.92 GB, right? Here 1 GB on C drive, right? We'll see. So I'm going to press install. Now the setup is being running, and it will ask for the permissions. So let's see how it works. So when you get this error message, please press skip package, then press continue. Sometimes you should press this skip package for several times. Normally it will take 5 to 15 minutes to install. So here again press skip package and press continue. If you need to use other technologies with Visual Studio, you should make you have the correct packages. Otherwise, for a beginner, I think it's okay to skip these packages. Again press skip package, then continue. Skip package, continue. Again. In the meantime, to run this Visual Studio 2013 distribution, you just need 1 GB of RAM and couple of GBs free hard disk space. So that's why we are using this Visual Studio 2013, because for the newest versions you should need more system resources.